Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we have an exciting unboxing for you, the Dongcheng Cordless Caulking Gun DCPJ12 Type AK/EK/Z 12V Max. If you're looking for a powerful, efficient, and easy-to-use caulking gun for your sealing projects, this one might just be the perfect tool for you. We'll be taking a close look at what's inside the box, checking out the key features, and giving you our first impressions, so let's dive in. The DCPJ12 Type AK/EK/Z is a 12V Max cordless caulking gun, designed for precision and ease of use in sealing applications. With a maximum pushing force of 3400 N, it delivers strong and consistent pressure for smooth sealant application. The adjustable feed speed, 0-12.9 mm/s, allows for controlled dispensing, reducing waste, and ensuring a professional finish. This tool features a 213 mm stroke length and is compatible with 300 ml sealant cartridges, making it suitable for a variety of sealing jobs. Weighing only 1.85 kilograms, it is lightweight and easy to handle, reducing fatigue during extended use. Powered by two 12V Max 2.0 lithium-ion battery packs, the DCPJ12 ensures long-lasting performance. The cordless design enhances mobility, allowing work in tight or hard-to-reach areas. The package includes a battery charger, two 2.0 battery packs, and a durable plastic carrying case for easy storage and transport. Ideal for professionals in construction, plumbing, and automotive industries, the DCPJ12 offers power, precision, and convenience, making sealant application more efficient than ever. If you are seeing this video for the first time, kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so you get to be notified whenever new videos drop. For more information, reach us at gz-supplies.com or email us at sales@gz-supplies.com.